Yo guys, what's happening everyone? Today we are outside here and something which is so great, we're gonna just review the bicycle computer. As you can see guys here, this is a really an amazing kind of product for your bike, so I decided just to grab it and test it and see how much it's the experience, you know what I mean? So it's gonna be really cool. And sorry for any kind of background noise because I'm outside and you know it's a little bit crazy, but yeah, it's gonna be really awesome. I got my bike here with me, I got my cameraman in here, Collins, and that's what's up guys. Shout out to him, and we're gonna just get started right now and see what's happening. So they sent me this up front, as you can see guys. This is a mounter which you can mount to the bike, and this basically it's a bicycle computer. So we're gonna just first of all get started, I think, with the bicycle computer to see how much it is. So guys, as you can see, this is the bicycle computer. It's really looking great. I like the way they kept it. Actually the display, the display is quite a little bit different. It's like, you know, the Game Boy display type. So guys, this is a quick manual guide to use it. And another thing, you're having the brackets in here. You get like these brackets. It's 1, 2, 3. I think for the holding. So we have just to read the manual to understand how we can keep it on the bicycle. Right now we are testing, or we are exploring the mount. Now this mount, actually it's a front mount for your handlebar. So whenever you're like mounting this stuff, you have to mount it on the handlebar of the bike. Now let me show you how it is. You see, this is my bicycle, right? So we're gonna mount it somewhere here to stick here, so as we can see how much the mount and the speed meter or the computer, how it works. Okay, nice. So as you can see guys, let me show you. So this is the mounter and this is an Allen key. Now this is a key which you have just to lock it so as it doesn't move. So whenever you're like removing the computer, it's easy for you just to remove it. And I think it's more stable, like it won't fall because you just have to tighten it really good. So as you can see, this is the stuff we need to just you know, keep it here. So I've opened up right now the app, and we're ready just to go to device and add our device. So let's go to BSC series, and you can see it says BSC100S. Tap on there and we need internet connection, I guess, and we tap on there and it will just do a connection. Right now we are actually connected and it's pairing, and it will stop blinking. So the Bluetooth here shows a network and it's blinking, but right now I guess it will stop blinking and it will just work perfect. So connect, and yeah, and we see what's going on here, what's good. So when we're done, just go to done, and as you can see, we're having even an update in here. There's a firmware update and another kind of stuff. We can upgrade the update, but I want to show you first. So guys, right now we're going to talk about the specification of BSC100S. Now, starting with the display, it has a 2.6 inch display, it has a data storage of 250 hours, it has a wireless BLE 5.0 and an ANT plus. It's an waterproof IPX7. It has 2 buttons on it, which is really great, and on top of it, it has a GNSS and sensor. Now talking about GNSS and sensor, it has a GPS GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo and QZS, and a wireless transmission of Bluetooth same, and it has support of speed sensor, cadence sensor, heart rate monitor and power meter. Talking about the battery side, it lasts for 40 hours in the battery life. Battery capacity, it lasts for 600 milliamp of battery, and the interface or the charging port, it's a USB-C. So what's up about setting up this device, the bicycle computer? It's a really great and amazing device, to be honest. And another kind of great thing about this device, it's all about how much it's tracking you throughout your each cycling segment. So it does the cadence, it does all of everything throughout cycling. And something which is so great about this kind of device, I'll be honest, it's all about the portability. Now I know a lot of you guys out there usually use smartphones so many times. Like you want to use Strava, you want to use any kind of sports activity, you use smartphone. Now it depends with the different type of activity, especially like I am a cyclist, so many times I'm using my phone to do a lot of my tracking, but I decided just to grab this bicycle computer to use it and explore more throughout different criteria. Another kind of stuff you might be asking, throughout this bicycle computer, is it just possible to share your data on Strava or any other social media? Definitely. Let us just first of all explore that and show you guys how it works. Guys, right now we're gonna just check it out throughout the application so as I can show you. Now first thing first, you go to link other apps. So you can see you can link Strava. I already linked my Strava, so whenever I'm cycling, I start an activity, it will usually record and post on Strava. So I'll just do all the edits on Strava, like putting a picture if I took with my phone, or adding any kind of thing which I would like throughout my device. That's what's up about the bicycle computer. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. I'll leave a link down below where I got it, so as a lot of you guys, if you're interested, so as you can grab it. I'm outside here and it's freaking noisy, but it's all good, man. And another kind of stuff, I'll be catching you guys on the next amazing tech video. So the video of today, it's all about the bicycle computer. And another thing, I got an amazing kind of pedal, which it's really cool. Let me just show you in a glance so as you guys can see. So check out this pedal, man. It's a really amazing pedal, and I really recommend this pedal. And it's called Meroka, and it's a great company, to be honest. It's very light and it's really strong, and you see it has some things which it can hold here, which it's quite amazing. On the next one, guys, I'll be checking you out, and yeah, peace.